Question number 4. A pole 4.5 meter high stands on a level ground. It is supported in a vertical position by two wires attached to its top and 2 points on opposite sides of the pole, each 3.2 meter from the foot of the pole. The first is required, how long is each wire? And the second, what is the angle between each wire and the pole? So the pole is 4.5 meter. If we draw the line, for example, this is the pole, 4.5 meter, and the wire is 3 point. If we draw with the ruler, it becomes approximately here. But no need to draw on the scale, doesn't matter whatever the size of this. Just draw the rough sketch, but I'm using the ruler, so that's why I'm making it on the scale. 3.2 meter. This is 3.2 and 3.2 the other side as well. 3.2 here. So from here to here is 3.2 meter, 3.2 meter here. So if we draw the lines, this becomes the diagram, because two wires attached with the pole with the distance 3.2 meter. So it becomes right angle here. It means in front of right angle, this is the hypotenuse. How long each wire? So how long each wire? It means we need to find the hypotenuse. Let's say if I say the name of the triangle, this is A, B, C, and this is the perpendicular on AC. Let's suppose we say this is D. So BD is the length, the height of the pole, which is 4. So it means we need to find the hypotenuse, the length of the wire, which is AB. We have BD, which is 4.5, 3.2 meters from A to D. So this is the length for A, 3.2 meter square plus 4.5 meter square. 3.2 square plus 4.5 square. It becomes 5.5217. But I'm taking after decimal only one place. So second place is less than 5, so no need to increase it. So answer is 5.5 meter. So because he said each wire, it means from A to B has the same length, which is 5.5 meter, and from B to C also the same wire, which is 5.5 meter. So each wire have the length 5.5 meter. B part, what is the angle between the wire and the pole? So it means we need to find this angle. According to this angle, this side is called the opposite and this is called the adjacent. We have all three values. Either we can use the sine rules or cosine or the tangent, anyone, because all the information are given. But I'm applying here the tangent rule, opposite over adjacent. So tan, the angle ABD, ABD, which is equal tan inverse opposite 3.2 divided by adjacent. So 10, shift 10, 3.2 divided by 4.5. So that's 35.417. So after decimal, one decimal, after decimal one number, so we have to check the after that it is less than 5, which is 1, so we no need to increase it, so it becomes 35.4 degree. So what is the angle between each wire and the pole? So the second, so also the same, so in each wire the angle is 35.4, here 35.4 and here 35.4. Question number 5. The diagonal AC of a rectangle ABCD is 0.67 meter long and the side AB is 3.32 meter long. How long is the side BC? First we make a rectangle. I just draw 3 centimeter for the width and definitely, and I can say 5 centimeter for that. Again, this is not on the scale, this is just a rough sketch because it says in meter, so I'm just drawing the rectangle here. So let's suppose if I say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Whenever you make a shape, you should keep in mind we label the vertices in cycle or cyclic. So now here the clockwise or anti-clockwise, if I go for here, this is A, B, C and D, or we can start from A, then this is B, this is C and this is, but it should be in order, either anti-clockwise or clockwise. Rather than we say this is A, B, C, D. This is wrong way to label the vertices of any shape what you made by yourself. So should be clockwise in order or anti-clockwise or clockwise. Now we are given AB. This is the AB, which is 0.32 meter, and he said the diagonal sorry, so diagonal AC, join these 2 points A to C, so this is the diagonal, which is 0.67 meter. We need to find BC, this length. As we know, in if we are given the hypotenuse, this is right angle, because in a rectangle all 4 corners have right angles. So it becomes, this is the hypotenuse, this is one of the short side, we need to find the one of the missing short side. So we know that the missing short side means, which is BC equal the longer side square minus one of the given short side square. So it would be 0.67 square minus 0.32 square, 0.5886. So after decimal, if we take 2 numbers as the rest of the numbers also, so it becomes 5.9, round it, 5.9 meter. So this is the one of the short side. Question number 6. Find the length of the diagonal of a square of side. In the previous question we are given the rectangle and here the square. Square means all sides are equal. Let's suppose if I draw the square here, square of 4 centimeter I'm trying to draw here, and 4 centimeter, because all sides are equal. Actually, he gave us 15 centimeters, so it becomes very big. So I'm just drawing very small, which is not on the scale. Is not on the scale. So let's suppose this is 15 centimeter. So each side is 15 centimeter. So where two lines are perpendicular there is, it means all corners are right angles. As in the previous question also, all corners are rectangles. So here also all angles are right angles. So he said find the diagonal. So the diagonal, it means we need to find the hypotenuse. Longer side. If I label it A, B, C, and D. So this length is AC. If I need to find out, so it means in front of right angle, so it's called the hypotenuse. So we know that whenever we need to find the hypotenuse, which is AC here, let's suppose we take the squares of the numbers and then add them. But if we need to find one of the short sides, definitely we subtract longer side minus the given the short side. 15 square minus plus, because we need to find the longer side here, so that's why we add here the numbers given the short sides. So it becomes square root 15, which is 21.2 centimeter. Hope you have the answer for this question.